The first thing you touch each morning isn't the floor, it's your phone. Before you even breathe deeply, the alerts begin. Buzz, ping, repeat. Your brain wasn't built for constant interruption, but now it never rests. Every notification triggers a tiny stress response. Small hits, all day. At night, the glow continues. Your body stays alert when it should power down. Focus fractures. Deep thinking fades. Your attention span quietly shrinks. Even your heart feels it. Subtle tension. Elevated pressure. Constant readiness. In America's always-on culture, non-stop stimulation feels completely normal. But your nervous system adapts. Stress becomes your new baseline. You don't notice the change until exhaustion finally notices you.